sige, mag-invento ko ng word. Mas malala sa thank you. Abangan niyo naman.
I love you.
Ano?
Ano sabi mo? Mas ano sa mag-iisip ka muna. Okay. And of course, the family and friends na namin nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Sana po nag-ibig lahat.
Yes, at maraming salamat din po sa mga taong patuloy na naniniwala po sa amin. Sir Mark Lopez, Sir Carlo Katigbak, Tita Cory Vidanes, at sa aming tatay, Direk Lauren Jockey, and Sir Roxy Likigan. Maraming salamat po. And guys, kasama pa rin namin sila ngayong day 2. Alam namin na madami silang trabaho, pero di ba, pinili nilang samahan kami sa journey na to. Maraming salamat. And we also want to acknowledge the presence of Mr. August Benitez. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much to our BD management and to our whole team BD. Thank you so much po. Our mother queen, Miss M.Q. Maliares, Sir Ron Peña, Mami Jo, Kuya Lester, Ate Maan, and Ate Aika, our stylist.
And thank you po to our coaches, our vocal coach, Coach Aina the prettiest, our dance coaches and concert choreographers, Coach Eden and Coach Matthew. As a special shout out to our concert directors, Direk Nikki Pers and Direk John.
And of course, thank you to ABS-CBN Events family, Star Music family, Star Magic family, and to the entertainment group of ABS-CBN. Thank you so much.
Yes! Looms, nararamdaman niyo ba yun? Parang ang lamig. Parang ang lamig. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi nagpapas ko na! Yes! It's giving Christmas vibes talaga dahil 37 days na lang